Welcome to Hot Mama Investing, where we're on a hot streak, or we're getting on one. Now remember, I'm not an investment advisor. I'm here to give you investment ideas, show you what I'm doing, and give you some entertainment. So make sure you do your own due diligence and research before getting involved in any investments. Now let's get going. Now let's take a moment to talk about silver, since I have been talking about that quite a bit on this channel because I'm very excited about all the possibilities of silver. Remember, it's more of a long-term investment, and we'll be talking about that more. Now we're also going to talk about crypto today, especially Bitcoin. Let's get on a hot streak. Looking at the 10-year silver price chart from silverprice.org, you can see how in 2011 silver hit a peak price and then went into a bear market until recently. After our March crash, it started going up into a bull market. Now, in a bull market, there can be shakeouts. It's not going to always go straight up. My bullish thesis on silver is it is going to be so hot. It will outperform gold in returns, I feel, in the next 3 to 5 years. During the last bull market, gold went up 166%, about from 2008 to 2011, where silver at its highest point was up 448%. A lot of people think we will see $100 silver per ounce. And there's another thesis with the Fed printing so much money for the stimulus that our dollar will weaken over time and make it practically worthless. So people are looking into other investments like gold, silver, and Bitcoin. And now we'll move on to Bitcoin. This next screen shows Bitcoin from TradingView app. So in 2017, Bitcoin hit a high and then went sharply down. Now it's starting a possible bull run again because I think it's becoming more widely accepted. A lot of people like it more for international transactions and see the benefits of it. And also, as the next slide will show, PayPal has accepted it. Now, a Forbes article dated October 23rd of 2020 talks about Bitcoin being accepted by PayPal. So this is a huge step for Bitcoin. It also does talk about a caveat here too. It says the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency community has been set alight by news payments giant PayPal will allow its 346 million users to buy and spend Bitcoin and a handful of other major cryptocurrencies. The announcement, coming from a traditional financial industry giant and perceived enemy of Bitcoin, has been taken as vindication for long-time Bitcoin believers. However, celebrations were somewhat stifled by small print that revealed PayPal wouldn't let users transfer their cryptocurrency into or out of PayPal, nor would users have control of the private keys, a long string of numbers and letters that allow holders to move their digital assets. So users would be allowed to buy Bitcoin through PayPal, it looks like, but you wouldn't be able to move it around to other accounts. It says down here farther in this Forbes article, currently you can only hold the cryptocurrencies you buy on PayPal in your account, the company wrote in materials outlining its Bitcoin and cryptocurrency plans. Additionally, the crypto in your account cannot be transferred to other accounts on or off PayPal. So it is limiting, but I do think it is a jump in the right direction for PayPal to allow buying Bitcoin. Now you may be thinking about, how can I invest in Bitcoin? Well, there's a lot of different ways. Of course, you just learned you would be able to buy it on PayPal. Also, there's an app called Coinbase. I've used Kraken, and some people use Robinhood app, but I actually have preferred to buy it in a trust. So I'm showing you Grayscale Bitcoin Cash Trust. I can purchase shares in this trust through Vanguard, and this is the way I've preferred. So you can see from the first screenshot and then the second screenshot from my app how it is on its way up again, I believe. That is my thesis. Some people think it's going to hit 25,000 here soon. It had a hard weekend a bit, but there's always consolidation before another big run. So remember to always do your due diligence and your own research. So I was showing you those screenshots from my Yahoo Finance app. Now, this next screenshot will show you about Grayscale. Grayscale investment study shows more than half of U.S. investor survey respondents would consider investing in Bitcoin, and 23% already have. So I'm thinking one of the catalysts for Bitcoin is the acceptance of it more and more. This article goes on to say that Grayscale Investments, the world's largest digital currency asset manager, today released its 2020 Bitcoin Investor Survey, the firm's second annual review of investor perceptions, interests, and reservations about investing in Bitcoin. The study, conducted jointly by Grayscale and financial market research firm 8 Acre Perspective, revealed that perhaps for the first time ever, more than half of the U.S. investors, 55%, would be interested in investing in Bitcoin, representing a potential U.S. market of nearly 32 million Bitcoin investor households. This marks a substantial increase in interest from 2019, when 36% of investors said they would consider a Bitcoin investment. So like I said, I think it's getting more widely accepted, and with our dollar looking like it could be devalued more here in the future, investors are looking for more value. So make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a video. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, have a great day.